Why you have taken admission in B.Ed course or any other professional course? We know very well that this is not our biological need. Rather, you are doing online or regular classes because doing so will help you to reach your important goals, like you want to be a teacher or professor, you want to pass the exam, get good marks, a high grade, or to get a good job, or gaining useful and interesting knowledge. In short, our behavior is determined by our thoughts about future outcomes and about how our current actions can help us get wherever it is that we want to go in life. This basic point forms the basis for another major theory of motivation, expectancy theory. It is true that sometimes there is no physical need present, yet people still eat, drink, or react as if they did have a need. Even though that piece of pizza was not necessary to reduce a hunger drive, it was very rewarding. And on the past occasions, that pizza was also delicious and rewarding. So there is anticipation of that reward now. The pizza is all its glorious promises of flavor and taste, and it becomes in itself an incentive to eat. This theory suggests that motivation is not primarily a matter of being pushed from within by various urges or drives. Rather, it is more a question of being pulled from without by expectations of attaining desired outcomes. Such outcomes known as incentives and can be almost anything we have learned to value, like money, status, the approval of others, to name, etc. Why do people engage in complex, effortful, or even painful behaviors such as working many hours on their job, studying long into the night, or performing exercises that are at least initially painful? Expectancy theory has the answer because they believe that doing so will yield the outcomes they wish to attain. The important application of expectancy theory is an explanation of work motivation. Research shows that in the field of industrial or organizational psychology indicate that people will work hard at their job only when they believe that doing so will improve their performance, which is known as expectancy in the theory. That good performance will be recognized and rewarded, known as instrumentality in the theory, and that the rewards provided will be ones they want, known as valence. Now try this. Critically evaluate expectancy theory of motivation.